Hello students, welcome in chapter 10, straight lines. Students, in last part we studied slope related points, yes, slope of the lines, and also there is a definition of the slopes in the four types of different slopes and two conditions between the two parallel lines and two perpendicular lines and one of the angle between two lines. Students, today I am going ahead one of the most IMP parts of this chapter, that is called various form of an equation of a line. Yes students, there is a different parts variations given line alag different parts. So one of the I going first today, yes, one of the horizontal and vertical line. First point is your simple way horizontal and vertical line. Very simple. Horizontal means parallel to x-axis, vertical means parallel to y-axis. So first I going ahead, simple horizontal line is called simple way. Just you can draw your drawing x-axis, y-axis and origin. Now horizontal means parallel to x-axis. That types of lines all are have here itself. X also axis. X-axis called y equal to 0. If you passing through here 1, it is y equal to 1. If you passing through here 2, y equal to 2. If you passing through here 3, y is equal to 3. This is y equal to 0. If you minus 1 passing through, y is equal to minus 1. Same minus 2, same minus 3. That types of lines, students, you can draw in different way. Parallel to x-axis is called horizontal line. Y is equal to something, therefore I write down y is equal to here b. B belongs to any real number. Yes, correct. You also write down here 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, any value for the b, and y is equal to something, that's called your horizontal line. Now vertical line. Students, vertical line is also very easy. Second points, vertical line is the equation is x is equal to a belongs to r, because this vertical line always intersect with x-axis. Just kind, that is your drawing y and your x-axis. Y-axis itself x is equal to 0, students. If you are passing through here at the place of 1, you can write down x equal to 1. If you are passing through 2, it is x is equal to 2. Maybe if you are passing through here 3, then your line is x is equal to 3. Similarly, if you are passing through 0, then x is equal to 0. Same as this side also. If you negative sides of x-axis, you can write here just like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. X is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That's why universal x is equal to a. A is any real number. So this is your vertical line, this is your horizontal line. Now I going to that related one little example. Yes students, example number 6. Question is, find equation of the line is, yes, find equation of all lines which are parallel to both axes and passing through, yes, passing through given minus 2, 3. Students, parallel to axis means definitely they may be vertical, either may be horizontal. Just I plot our drawing minus 2, 3, just like x-axis, y-axis here minus 1, minus 2 origin, and y-axis I have 3. So here 1, 2, 3. Minus 2, 3, it means you are here, point A. Minus 2, 3, just like this and just like that. But I want to parallel to axis. So can I draw these straight lines It is intersect with y-axis, so y is equal to 3. And here also I can make a straight line. It is called x is equal to minus 2. This is vertical line and that is horizontal. So next first question, our first answer is done. Parallel to x-axis and passing through a point minus 2 comma 3 and parallel to x-axis means, students, it is horizontal line. Yes, equation is therefore horizontal line. Already I explained you here horizontal line, y is equal to something. What is your y coordinate? 3. Therefore I can write down y is equal to 3. Y minus 3 is equal to 0. That's your equation of line. Yes, students, you also write this equation 0x plus y minus 3 because you know that standard equation of line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is your standard form of the lines. And that is the one variation today I explained, horizontal and vertical line. Now second answer, I go to next, parallel to y-axis and passing through, where passing through? Same, minus 2 comma 3. So does here y to parallel. It means what that? Yes, it is vertical line. Therefore vertical line, and vertical line you know that x is equal to something because they intersect with x-axis. Here intersect that, x is equal to minus 2. So I write down x is equal to minus 2. In short, x plus 2 is equal to 0. And here students, our this first point, horizontal and vertical line, is simple and easy way, students, here over there. Now I going ahead, point number 2. Yes, it is a slope point equations. Secondly, I going same as point number 2, different variations of the equation of the line. Yes, you by heart the main points. So our point 2, slope point equation, and that's the formula is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Don't worry, I explain about that. What is the indicate? Consider that is your coordinate plane and here one line passing through on it any plane. Here passing through given ax1 y1, that is your this value x1 and y1, and m is indicate that slopes. Yes, slope is a m, and that's formula you can apply whenever you given one slope and one passing through on it, and that you apply the equations of the line, slope point equations. Yes, it is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Now I go to that related one of the example number 7. It's also very easy, slope point, but you remember equations when they apply one slope and one point given on it, then you can apply. So example 7, find the equation of line passing through given and slopes given. Yes, either in textbook printed point slope form. Here point slope written, I written slope point. They are same, students. Don't worry. Find the equation of line passing through minus 2 comma 3 with the slope exactly given minus 4. But you remember one point given, one slope given, so apply this form. Yes, point slope equation, either slope point. So required line by the which form? Slope point form. Either you can write down point slopes Yes, required line by the slope point form having slope means m minus 4 and passing through. Yes, we are passing through minus 2, 3. I write down that x1, y1. Means just like our rough drawing we will draw. Here your minus 2, 3. Here minus 2, 1, 2, 3. Approximately here you are. And that is the one line passing through on it. And that slope is a known that minus 4. Either this side also moving, anyone there. Now my equation is that equations. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Y minus y1 mx minus x1. y1 is a 3, slope minus 4, and x1 is what? Minus 2. So my equation is done. Minus 4x. Either I write down step by steps x plus 2. So y minus 3 is equal to minus 4x minus 8. So y minus 3 plus 4x plus 8. So 4x plus y plus 5. 8 minus 3. And that's equation, students. 4x plus y plus 5 equal to 0. That's your equation of the line. You also check here. This line is what? Ax plus by plus c. It is a standard form. Yes. And that also slope you know. What is slope formula? Minus a by b. Just verification. So minus 4 by 1. Check. Minus 4 is coming there. And if you operate minus 2 minus 3 in place of x and y, you get definitely is equal to 0. So here students, our second point, slope point equation is easily and happily done. Now I go to next, third point, 2 points given passing through. It means 2 points equations. Yes students, point number 3, we are going ahead, 2 point form. It means only 2 point given passing a initial line. So third point I going 2 point forming. Yes. So students, I going our third point. Yes, it is a 2 point form. Means a line having minimum 2 points on lies there. Then one of the line is made in here a x1 y1 and b is x2 y2 having something slope m, and this line is one of the our respectively axis, x-axis and y-axis. So simple, very, you know the slope formula. What is slope of line? Yes, point wise, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This slope, I operate in this formula, I easily derive my 2 point equations. So from this point I going slope point equation y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, where m is what? Slopes. Slopes already are derived here. So y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. I only put it this value of m. Now this I take, divide that. So you can get here form is y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is your formula by heading. Whenever the 2 points given on lies a line, and that's your equation is y minus y1 x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And here students, this equation is you can use whenever the 2 points given, and I made what? Equation of line passing through on it, and that's the students our third question. Part is easily. Now I go to that related. Yes, our example. So now students, we going ahead, example number 8. Find the equation of line passing through. Here given that 2 different points Simple way we can operate that. Example number now 8. And passing through points available, students. Yes. Write the equation of line passing through 1 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 5. 1 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 5. Simple, students. 2 points already given. You assume that x1 y1 x2 y2. So here a I have 1 minus 1, which is x1 y1, and b I have 3 5, that is x2 y2. And the both points you can lies on that points either these equations. So by 2-point form, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. And simple way you can apply your value for this equations wise. I derive already that. So can we write down direct this y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Direct I operate this formula by utilization of 2 forming. So what is the y1? Minus 1. What is the x1? 1. Same. Now y2 minus y1. So students are going y2 minus y1. Here write down 5 minus minus 1. x2 minus x1. So 3 minus 1. x2 minus x1. So 3 minus 1. My value is y plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1 by 2. 6 by 2. It is 3. So your data is y plus 1 is equal to 3 times x minus 1. So y plus 1, 3x minus 3. And now answer. Yes. So 3x minus 3 minus y minus 1. So your final data you will cover 3x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. That's your equation of line. But you also check that is forming of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the original forming. It means that is a various form of the line. Yes, students, here up to our point number 3 done. Now I going ahead. Next point. Yes, point number 4. Very easily we just one by one point explain and one of the our example explain. Yes, so 4 point is your intercepted related your points. Yes, slope intercept form. Next point is point number 4. Slope intercept form. Students, not an intersect, it is an intercept. Intercept is different and intersect is different. Intersect means 2 lines are intersect to each other at a one common point. It is called intersect. Intercept means a distance travel from origin to respectively axis. Don't worry, I explain you that. Consider that's your y, that's your x. Here one distance traveling from origin, consider C. This is your origin. So this point is definitely 0 comma C. And here students, you can take one of the line. This line having slope m, and this is a distance travel from the origin. That's why this C is called what? Intercept. Again I repeat. Intercept means what? A distance traveling from origin respectively on y-axis, then it is called y-intercept. If you draw on x-axis, then yes, it is x-intercept. So x-intercept and y-intercept, I just explain here slope intercept form. It is simple. I just apply this formula by slope point form. By slope point form, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. y1 is what? C. Slope same, and x1 is what? 0. Because that is called your x1 y1. Passing through known, slopes known. Just you can arrange y minus c is equal to mx y is equal to mx plus c. And here students, this equation you by heart. For that, which one? Yes, slope intercept form. I again repeat my word, intercept, not intersect. Okay, so now I go to example number 9. Same as find equation of the line having intercept given and respectively angles given. So now I start easily our example number 9. Yes, write the equation of, there are two questions. Write the equation of the lines for which tan theta is half. You know students, tan theta means slope of the line, m given here, and where written there theta is the inclined of the line, and first given y-intercept is minus 3/2 and second x-intercept is 4. There are two different types of question given. First I explain y-intercept. It means, students, of first question, if y-intercept minus 3/2 and slope and tan theta given half. So can I draw the just simple line in this way, y-axis, x-axis. And students, you will check, intercept means what? Distance traveling from origin to respectively y-axis, then y-intercept. It is minus 3/2. So it is surely here origin. You are here 0 comma minus 3/2. And your line is maybe passing through this side, either this side. Very easy, slope known, passing through known. You apply in these equations, either in these equations. So equation of line, y minus y1 is equal to m, x minus x1. So what is your y1? Minus 3/2. Slope, yes, half, and x1 is 0, that called x1, this called y1. Now apply y plus 3/2 is equal to x/2. Now you will take simple arrangement for the answer. Y is equal to x/2 minus 3/2. Minus minus plus, I take right side. Check this equation is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Now take LCM. So my answer is 2i x minus 3. So x minus 2y, x minus 3, x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. And that's your simple first question is done. Now I am moving ahead. My second question. If x-intercept is 4, students, I again repeat, intercept different, intersect different. Intercept x-axis means a distance traveling on x-axis, how much? Is 4. So I draw my drawing here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the distance traveling, 1, 2, 3. Very easy. And here your y-axis. So maybe your line is moving in these sides, either in these sides. The slope given that, how much? Tan theta, half. It is 1. So my data is equation of line. It's very easy. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. And what is y1? 0. Here x1 y1. Slope is half because tan theta given already. And value at h. x1 is a 4. So y is equal to x/2 minus 4/2. Either you can cover direct cross multiply. 2y is equal to x minus 4. So x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here students, your example line is easily done here. So here students, our topic 4 is easily done, slope intercepted form. I again repeat before going my 5 points. First of all, I explain today horizontal and vertical line. Horizontal means parallel to our x-axis, y is equal to b, and vertical means parallel to y-axis. It is, yes, parallel to y-axis, so vertical line x is equal to a. Second, I explain today slope point form, either point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Third, I explain 2-point forming. Yes, ax1 y1, bx2 y2, 2 point given on the line y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Fourth, we going, yes, it is an intercept form. Yes, our slope intercept forming, y is equal to mx plus c related, slope intercept forming, and that is related. Now by deeply going, 5th point, yes, intercepted line. There is no slope given, but intercept given. That related. Now we going ahead. Our 5th point. 5th point also main points. Intercepted line. Purely intercepted. And the equation is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Students, I one more time repeat, intercept means a distance traveling from the origin sides. Yes, first drawing is that. Just I go, here total 7 drawing available. In textbook given only 1, but I show all 7 drawing. Consider here a travel distance, a0. This is x-intercept. Consider here b traveling distance, you are here, 0b. And b points, and both you connect by the scale. That line is called x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, and that is line is called x-intercept, y-intercept, where a is I just show a is equal to what? X-intercept. Don't show it is an intersect, it is intercept. And next b is y-intercept, and that way different drawing also available. Just you can draw your drawing maybe on the second quadrant. This is also true. Formula is same, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 here, but I write down minus a0 because negative sides of x-axis, here x dash, y dash. If you are going third drawing, then also you can plot this way drawing. This is your x-axis, here y-axis, here minus a0, and here 0 comma minus b. And this way your third parts. One more I going to. Total 7 parts are available in this intercepted lines, students. Indirectly, this topic is also very easy and simple. Now fourth drawing, you can draw on the fourth quadrant. This x-axis, x dash, y dash, you are here. This point a0. Here b, 0 minus b. Formula same operate, but a and b only value change. Now fifth case, maybe you are on the vertical line. This y-axis, origin, x-axis, x dash y dash. Maybe you are this side also vertical. So this distance traveling here, students, a0, here z minus a0, and you check, your answer is only vertical line. It means no intersection for y-axis. It means no distance traveling. Here y-intercept does not exist. Here y-intercept does not exist. It is a one kind of MCQ. When a line have y-intercept not exist, if a line is vertical. One more, sixth case. If a line is horizontal, then x-intercept not exist. just kind of this type of lines. Horizontal, this way, horizontal. Distance travel from origin on y-axis. So this distance is available b, 0 comma b. Here also b, but 0 comma minus b. B and b dash. Here a and a dash. Check here. Here x-intercept does not exist. A line having our horizontal. So here also you noted that here x-intercept does not exist. And last case, total I told here 7 cases. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4, vertical and horizontal. And last, both line. If you passing through on that itself origin, there is no distance moving to this sides, either moving to this sides. Here a and b both are 0. It means x-intercept, y-intercept is 0. That kind of line is y is equal to mx, and here y is equal to minus mx. Yes, so here x-intercept is equal to y-intercept is equal to 0. Then you can plot in this way that type of equations. Students, here total 7 forming from the equation of intercepted line x by y by b is equal to 1. I one more explaining in that way. Same as if a line forming given that to particular in this form, if a general equations ax plus either capital right ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and here also you can plot indirectly this line and this line are same. This is a standard form. So if your y is 0, then you can cover ax plus 0 plus c. Here apply you 0. So x become minus c by a. That is called also your x-intercept minus c by a. This also x-intercept called, and that is called small a. One more, if your x is equal to 0, then your line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here you operate 0, by c. So what's your y? Minus c by b, and this part is called your y-intercept. It is called y-intercept, and this is called small b. Yes, that's your small a and small b. And here your students, these different variations types, our 7 part easily I explain. Now I go to our example. Yes, example number 10. Only intercepted given, and you can derive your equation of line. It's very easy forming. So I going ahead, our example number 10. Point is there. Question: find equation of line which makes intercept -3 and 2 on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. So it is very easy. Just to draw your questions. X-intercepts -3, y-intercept 2. So can I draw first of all our drawing? Yes. Your x-interface is -3, -1, -2, -3. This point is a -3, 0 pointing. And second, 2. Y, your 1 and 2. That is called 0, 2. And here you passing through A to B lines. This called your second quadrant passing through. I already explained you total 7 case. Now very easy. Required intercepted line. Formula you know. This one. X by plus y by b is equal to 1. A and b, you just put it. What is a here? Minus 3. B your 2. And the formula. Minus x by 3 plus y by 2. So minus 2x plus 3y by 6. So minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Just to rearrange, you can get 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 6. And that's your standard form. You check. That is your standard form for this standard form. Ax plus by plus c. Yes, ax plus by plus c. Formula done. Numerical done. But if I draw by this equations wise, you can also find out extra. If you are asking x-intercept, what is x-intercept formula? Minus c by 8. Minus 6 by 2. Check. Minus 3 coming according to question. One more. If you y-intercept, then what is formula y-intercept? Minus c by b. You can put here minus c. Minus 6. B is your minus 3. It is 2. Check. It is y-intercept with 2 given. Already I drawn this drawing. Yes students, here our up to easily our 5 parts is easily done. Students, other part is remaining in the various form of the equation of the line. Yes, one of the vertical horizontal, second slope point form, third 2-point forming, fourth yes intercepted slope equation and slope intercepted line, and fifth are intercepted line x by y by b is equal to 1. Yes students, here our fifth part up to till I stop here. Further explanation to another up to 6 continue. I explain in the next part. Bye bye.